Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to assign bills or expenses to customers in Xero. Assigning bills or expenses to customers in Xero is one of the most important features for businesses that want to track project profitability or recharge costs back to clients. A lot of companies spend money on behalf of customers, things like materials, travel, subcontractors, or project costs. But if those expenses aren't properly assigned, it becomes very difficult to know which customers are actually profitable. Assigning a bill or expense to a customer means linking a business cost directly to a customer or a project, so you can track how much was spent for that specific client or job. Without assigning costs properly, you may think a project is profitable when it's actually losing money. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once inside the dashboard, you'll access the Purchases and Bills section. Then click Purchases. Under Purchases, click Bills. What you'll see here. This section displays draft bills, awaiting payment bills, paid bills, supplier transactions. Choose any bill from the list and open it. You're now accessing the detailed transaction where the expense information is stored. Inside the bill, click Bill Options. From the drop-down menu, click Edit. Why editing is necessary. You need editing access to attach customer or project information to the expense. Now locate the option labeled Assign Expenses to a Customer or /Project. Then click on it. What this feature actually does. This links the bill expense directly to a customer, a project, a job, a client engagement inside Xero. Now fill in the required details. This includes customer or project name, description. Click OK. What happens here? Xero now links the expense to the selected customer or project. Finally, click Update. What happens after updating? Xero saves the new customer/project assignment into the bill record. The expense now becomes associated with that customer or project in reporting and tracking. What you just did, big picture. You linked supplier cost to a customer or project, improved project cost tracking, increased profitability visibility, structured expenses more accurately. You transformed a general expense into a traceable client-related cost. To summarize, assigning bills or expenses to customers in Xero begins by logging into your account and navigating to Purchases, then Bills. After opening a bill, you access the Bill Options menu and select Edit. From there, you use the option labeled Assign Expenses to a Customer or /Project to link the bill directly to a specific customer or project. You then enter details such as the customer or project name and a description of the expense before clicking OK and finally Update to save the changes. This process allows businesses to track customer-related cost more accurately and improve project profitability analysis. And that's how to assign bills or expenses to customers in Xero. This is one of those features that separates basic bookkeeping from real financial management because it helps you understand where your money is actually going and which projects are truly profitable. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.